So that's their houses. They are big houses here, like let's say like 200 square meter houses. And look at their uh, look at their gardens, the design, the landscape. Look at this house. Let's say 3 bedrooms, 4 bedroom, like that. The old people walking in the street, just like what I did. Here is very quiet. I love it. I love this. I love to living here in Surprise, Arizona. It's city also. I think this is the second big cities in Arizona. So it's it. And most of all, why the old people love or like to come here and living here, because of number one, it's because of the weather. The weather is nice, especially in the winter, because here in Surprise or Phoenix, no snow. So the old people love that, because especially if they are old, right? And they have arthritis or something problem in their body. So here it's not so cold, so they can walk in the winter outside, like jogging or walking. Yeah, and that's a good thing. So why old people love here. And especially the climate, I mean the changes in the summer, they are good too. Because the moisture of the air, it's not heavy. I mean, the moisture of the air is not heavy water. Ganun. Yeah, kasi pag ang moisture ay mabigat, mahirap huminga, or it's not easy to breathe. So here it's easy to breathe because of the moisture. It's dry yung air, so it's good for your lungs too. I'm not saying here is a cheap to live, but I mean the houses, I mean it's not cheap to live here. Like if you rent the house like 3 bedroom with garage, it's let's say like $3,000 or $4,000, like that. It's depend what places you want to live, especially if like this, maybe 5,000 a month. I'm not sure about that. And you know, the food here is cheap actually, especially the vegetables is cheap. Maybe because they have a farm here, and not so bad. The price is not so bad. Ganon. So the food is good, the food is cheap. Food is cheap to live here. So that's all. Look at this. Ganda. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Life Happens Vlog. If you're not yet done to subscribe my channel, please leave a comment. If you want to ask something, maybe I share a little bit. So this is my vlog today, walking and show you the spot or the area or the houses, gardens. That's all guys. So bye bye, see you next time. Okay, see you